How to attach packing slips, COCs, and other documents to PO receipts in CTEC ERP. CTEC ERP includes document management tools to handle the heavy volume of inbound supplier documents faced by distributors and manufacturers. For instance, when a package is received that includes a certificate of conformance document, a receiving worker can scan the COC and upload the document into the receipt. To do this, we'll go into Purchasing, Receipts, Receipt List, and then we'll get a receipt and we'll open one up. We'll open up receipt 96 here. Now, once you're in the receipt screen, you'll want to go over to the Documents section. Here you can upload any document that you would like to add to the receipt made. We'll click Browse, find our document, and click Open. And now that you see it here, you can add any tags you'd like, alter the name, and then you'll finally upload it, and you'll see that it gets populated onto the receipt documents.